Two men have been arrested in Zambia, accused of being witch doctors who had been tasked with trying to bewitch the president. Sana namashuka kuti vakomana vobatwa vachizama aiwa kukasta a spell on Hichilema. Not about subscribe or like or turn the bell. The police said they had arrested Justin Amabulese Kandonde and Leonard Piri in the capital of Lusaka. Their purported mission was to use charms to harm President Hakainde Hichilema, said the police statement released on Friday. Many people in the southern African country believe in and live in fear of witchcraft. The police said Kandonde and Piri were hired by Nelson Banda, the younger brother of MP Emmanuel J.J. Banda. The MP was reportedly arrested last month in a neighboring Zimbabwe over robbery charges, which he denies, but he has not been seen in public. He is also accused of having escaped from custody in August as he awaited to appear in court. The Opposition Patriotic Fund PF party, led by former President Edgar Lungu, has previously alleged that these charges are politically motivated. Emmanuel Banda, who has been an independent MP since 2021, was previously associated with Lungu, who lost the presidency to Hichilema last year. In their statement, the police said the MP's younger brother Nelson was currently on the run. Kandonde and Piri have been charged under Zambia's Witchcraft Act with possession of charms and professing knowledge of witchcraft and cruelty to wild animals. They told the police they had been promised more than 2 million Zambian kwacha for their mission, according to the police statement. The suspects are being held in custody and will appear in court soon, the police said, but did not give an exact date for the hearing. They had not yet commented in the public on the allegation. Tomashwana panapa tonight aiwa Hichilema panapa aiwa ukutiwa ne vakomana ukada kumuisa tudze mafunguro enyu mutudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi kana comment section medu. So subscribe or like, so turn the bell icon.